Anshul bowling the first ball and it's into the boundary. Wait for the umpire signal. Driving this on the up through the cover area. Man at deep point just going around and a shot down to fine leg. 4 more runs total. Over number 3. Anshul Srivastava continue and he gets a wicket. A good comeback after a. So far he's just scored 1 of 8. The good thing is that he's in the center. This time chops onto the stumps and 2 in the. Lost 2 wickets in the first 3 overs of the game. This time over the bowler's head for a boundary. He unsettled this time. Bruno pitched it. This time edges this one, a thick outside edge to the boundary. Not a convincing one, but they will take more than that. As Adil continues, he's just given away 2 runs of the first over he bowled. Short plays it towards the point region for 4 more. This time there was width on the batsman to drive. This time across the line into the vacant cow corner for 4. Not giving it much air. This time slightly quick in the air. Chance for the man at point, and as we speak, in the air over the man at behind square, and the ball off his helmet. Looks like he's going for the big one. Let's hope and see what he does. This time slightly short. He manages to get good bat on it and gets a boundary. Nisar coming down the wicket, trying to manufacture a stroke. Chance of a run out at the non-striker's end. And a drop. Let's see if he's got it. And yes, Rajmohan to Rajesh Chauhan. An edge flies over the man. Keeper goes to the third man boundary for 4. It's full quota of 4 overs. This time inside of the bat. Chance of a run out. A throw, needless throw, and gives away 4 runs. Inam Wazir is going to open the bowling for Sparklet, and first ball, and a shot here at the Bijoys Cricket Club for the OGPL Season 4. This time down the leg side, misfielded by the fielder, and the ball will just race over towards the boundary. Down to short third. This time down the ground into the vacant long on area, beats the man at mid on quite easily, and the ball race quite straight. And this time in the air, the man at square leg coming around. Chance of a good catch, and he's taken that, and a needless wicket. And the third wicket is gone. He's bowled. So another one, and this time Parminder gets his second. So this time nearly number 6 over the man at short point, and the ball races away towards the boundary. Welcome boundary. Straight to the man at gully. They quickly take over for a single. Straight direct throw sent upstairs. Not really. Parminder, and he gets wicket number 6 on the back foot, trying to play a stroke, and towards the left of the man at long off. Vinay Malik there. He misfields, and the ball races away towards the boundary. Couldn't put his foot down in time. From here on, in the air, brings the man at long on, and a good chance, fluffed. Injury to his hand. In the air, and the man at cover drops that. A minute. Goes down on his knees, sweeps the ball. Nisar not able to stop that one, and this time quicker ball and straight to the man at short fine, and Imran Natraj bowling his third over. Plays it in the air, man coming around to his right and unable to cut it off, and up 86 for 7. This time straight to the man at short mid wicket, and he drops us. This time comes on the wicket and plays it over deep mid wicket for a 6. The leg area, the complete one. And coming back for the second, is there a chance of a run out? We'll wait and watch, and it's been